What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So here are the new details about the new promising flagship Xiaomi 12 Ultra. Latest features, camera configurations, new chipset, battery capacity, price, release date and so on. Please watch the full video content. The case manufacturer showed Xiaomi 12 Ultra with a huge camera. The premiere of the smartphone may take place in March. It may be the first production device based on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 platform. A Chinese source published images of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra smartphone. In a transparent case, these pictures were presented by the manufacturer of the cases. The images confirm the Xiaomi 12 Ultra's huge camera block, very similar to the camera block of the recently unveiled Honor Magic 4 and Magic 4 Pro and Huawei's Mate 50 series smartphones are rumored to have cameras like the Honor Magic 4. 5 modules are shown in the camera, but in reality, there will be most likely be fewer sensors, probably 4. There is no doubt that the flagship received wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle lenses. There is no doubt that the flagship will receive wide-angle and ultra-wide-angle lenses as well as a periscope module with optical zoom. The resolution of the sensors of the respective modules will be, according to rumors, 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 sensor, 48 megapixels and 48 megapixels. It is expected that the Xiaomi 12 Ultra camera itself will be presented under the LIKE is expected to help set up the Chinese company's cameras. The new Xiaomi flagship is also credited with a 2x curved Samsung OLED screen, a 4860 mAh battery with support for 120Hz fast wired charging and 50 watts wireless power. It is possible that it will be replaced with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset manufactured by Samsung using a new generation 4nm process technology. According to the news, Xiaomi 12 Ultra will be released in the second half of the year and will cost around 1000 euros. Yes, new details about the promising Xiaomi flagship says that it will be sold in Europe for about 1000 euros. The premiere of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra may take place in March or early April. Well, apparently, according to a well-known Chinese insider, digital chat station, the release of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra has been delayed and will instead debut in the second quarter. Quarter 2 means the second quarter of the year, between April and June. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.